This is a Holden aviary. In this cage, there's a hen that's a double split and a cockbird that's split to blue. Interesting thing, the reason the hen's a double split is that I put a Aussie yellow cock with a blue hen, and this is one of the babies, so it's split to both. The reason people want them split to both is to get what they call AVBs, the blue variated. I only put these together yesterday. But as it's a Holden aviary, they are for sale as well. The water's of that colour because it's got vitamins in it.